Let me come around.
Don't push me on the trigger yet. Alright, so turn safety on. I'll let you turn safety on. There we go. Alright. Now you can fire. Go again. Go again. Got it.
Woo! Way to go! Did he hit it?
Yeah.
He hit it?
Yeah, he did it again. Right here and right here.
Awesome. Way to go, Sebastian. Look, you see where you hit it?
You hit there again. You hit there and there. Look, you got a little Darth Vader helmet there.
Give me 5. Yeah.